Now it's time to download and install SQLite database for Windows. But first, what is SQLite? SQLite is an embedded database, and what that means is that you don't require any server to create the database or to communicate with the database. You can directly create the database on your computer, and you can directly communicate with the database using SQL queries. And I'm going to see what those are in the next videos. But first, let's download the SQLite database. So I'm going to open my browser. You should open your browser. I'm going to type www.sqlite.org. Click enter, press enter. Go to download, click on download, and we go down here where it says Windows, and we choose this one which says a bundle of command line tools for managing SQLite database files, including the command line shell. So click on this link. Now the downloading will start, and it was immediately finished because it's a small file. Now I'm gonna go inside our downloads file. We go here. And here we're gonna extract this file. So I'm gonna extract this file, and I'm going to extract this file here. So you extract the file, you can extract it wherever you want, but I'm going to extract it here, and it opened the file for us. And if it didn't open the file, just double click on the file, because you're going to copy that file inside a folder. So I'm going to right click here. So right click, let's copy this, and we're going to put this file inside our local disk C. So I'm gonna open my computer, go to local disk C, and I'm gonna paste this file here. And I'm gonna change this name to SQLite 3. So I'm gonna type SQLite 3, and I'm gonna go inside the file, and here we have 3 folders. And what next we need to do is that we need to set up the environment variable for SQLite 3, so that when we run the command SQLite 3 on our command line, it's gonna be recognized from any folder. So for that, we first need to copy this location. So copy this. So Control C. We go back. And here we go to properties inside our my computer. So inside my PC, go to properties, and if we have a different version of Windows, what is important is to find this setting, this option which says Advanced System Settings. So click on this, and we go to environment variables, because here we're gonna set up our environment variable for SQLite 3. And make sure to have path selected here. So you choose this one, path, and we click on edit. And here we have there is the SQLite. Here is the path that I added previously, because I did this once, but I'm gonna delete this. And what we need to do here is just click on new, and it's gonna go to the next line, and I'm gonna paste the path that we copied previously here. So we paste it here. We click on OK. Click on OK, OK, and we exit. And now we're gonna open our command line to see if everything works fine. So I'm gonna type command line, and here we type now SQLite 3. And as you can see, now everything works fine. We have SQLite version, and we have this connected to a transit in memory database. So our database was opened, and it's ready for working. So everything works fine. And if you have any problems, just leave me a comment, and I will help you to solve it. So see you in the next video.